Anupama. This is my Google Sheets project. This is about creating an annual progress report. Here I need to create a progress report of a student, and first sheet I need to add the details, FAs and essays, and second sheet I will be creating the progress report. I have already created using Google Sheets. Here this is my Google Sheet. So this is a sheet about the whole class 11th standard. Here you can see different subjects I have given and who is teaching, and also FA1, FA2, SA1, and also total marks, and whatever the GP you will get the points that will be shown here, and also entire average will be shown here. So like this I have created for the entire thing. Here you can see here this is for summative assessment 1 and this is for summative assessment 2. So here I have given like this. So once you have done this, the gross total and also CGPA. So this also will be calculated. Like this I have created in the first sheet, and in the second sheet, so here you can see SA1, SA2 added and the total it is taken, and also same thing for all the subjects and whole percentage is taken, and this is the graph generated here. So like this, and finally the report of one student I have shown here with all the subjects and both SA1 SA2, and also grade is being calculated. Grade criteria is given over here, and depending upon that the graph is generated here. So the first thing in this here, I have taken the name of the students, and this I have merged here and have given the color here after merging, and also I have given like this I have merged the columns here, different columns, and also this one I have merged the column and I have given the different colors for each cell here. And here you can see when I am going to calculate the GP here, just you can see here, if I click here the formula will appear here. So if F8 is greater than this, so this is the entire formula which we have given to calculate the points here. So like this I have created for all. It is depending upon the whatever total calculated value will be there. It is applicable if condition, and then it will be shown. So like this I have calculated for all the subjects, you can see here. And also here I can also give the alignment here, the center alignment I have given here, and also this vertically you can also give. So that is how I have given for all the other cells. So like this the formatting of cells is been done. And now you can see the when I move this, these things are moving inside, so that I can easily catch the particular line mark. So how it can be done, that is using the freeze. So here you can either freeze rows or columns. So that particular column will be freezed and the other columns you will be able to match and see. And here at the heading I have given as a school name and class I have given, and I have inserted the logo also. This is about the summative 1 assessment and summative 2 assessment. Also again the same thing. I have merged the columns, I have given the colors here, and also the formula you can see here. The formula has been given here, and if is a function which I have used. Total also you can see sum of seats 27 to C. So this whole 10 plus 10 plus 30, the whole all these three things will be calculated. Once I have calculated, I have dragged the handle. When it becomes plus sign, I have dragged the handle till the end of this. So like this, even average also you can check here. The average also is given a formula. So average is a function. So like this I have created the functions as well as the formulas. So finally I will be getting CGPA count for summative 1 assessment separately and 2 assessment separately. Now in the second sheet I have given, like I have taken these two things and I have taken the average of this. You can see here, if I click on these things, it will be totally giving me the average. So this is the formula which I have taken for this, and you can see here the formula here again the percentage is calculated. So if I want to select the if I want to create the graph, I will select the whole thing and insert chart, and whichever chart I want, then by default it will come like this. You can also go ahead with the different types of chart whichever you want. So like this you can create the chart. This is the chart created one. you can see here. And now if I want to if I want to sort it, so just select the column and here you can give the filter. This filter is applied here. You can just select here and you can choose here filter and you can give sort A to Z. So this column has been sorted out according to the A to Z. And then now if I want to apply to any column, like I want to find out who is greater or who is less, conditional filter if I want to use, you can click on filter here and then you can choose filter by condition, and here you can give, like I will give the condition as is between. I want to find out who is in between 60 and 80. Just click this here and you will get the result here like this. So all the students who are scored between 60 and 80 will be shown here. If you want to uncheck, then just click on this and then you can remove the filter. So like this you can create the filter according to your conditions. So you can just delete the filter. And now this is about the filtering and conditional formatting. Here for one cell I have given filter by conditional formatting, like the marks which are between 60 and 80 I have given the red color. So you can also do this for other columns also. You can select it and then format, conditional formatting. You can give like whatever formula you want to apply is between, I will take again 60 and 80. So I will take, and whichever color you want you can choose, so that values which the cells which contains the values between 60 and 80 will be given a color. Even also other cells also you can give the color like this using conditional formatting. So this will be easy to look the data. And then you have data validation. So here you can also have a data validation, which I have given already here for this particular thing. Here you can see, suppose if I enter minus values, it will not take, because it is violates the data validation, because I cannot have the minus values. So like this, how we can take, you can just see here data validation, data validation, you can check here. I have greater than or equal to, it should be 0 and it will reject the input. So like this you can also have the data validation. You can also remove the data validation also. So this is how you can give the data validation as well as the conditional formatting like this, and also filter, sort and all you can make use of using the filter and sort. And finally, the final one here, again you can see here the formula grades which I have calculated using the lookup formula. Here I have taken the formula like to see, and automatically the grade will be assigned to the particular student. And the graph also I have inserted here. This is one more table I have taken and I have just given the criteria. So in this way I have created now yearly progress report, and also we have three terms like FA1, FA2 and SA1 like that, and final we have SA1, SA2, and also I have used the formatting which I have given the different colors and center alignment, text, everything I have given. Merging the cells I have done, basic formulas we have calculated, data validation, conditional formatting, sorting, filtering, functions also like average, lookup and other things are given, and charts also been added. So this is how I can create the annual progress report using all the features of Google Sheet. Thank you.